All right, I think we are live now. Okay, I think we're finally live. All right, what we're going to talk about today is using weekly charts. A lot of people use daily charts in their trading and investing, but a lot more perspective is gained if you use something called weekly charts, which basically means you just zoom out on the charts. So usually, the further out in time you go, the more perspective you gain, for the most part, without going too crazy. So let me just kind of review this on the charts here, kind of show you why you want to use weekly charts and not only daily charts. Maybe you even only want to use weekly charts. Let me flip around the camera and we are going to look at this right now. Here we are. All right. So first, let's show off a very simple daily chart so you guys can see what the difference is. So this so far here is a weekly chart. Let me go back to a daily chart. And what you can see here is it's a lot more jaggedy, right? There's a lot more ups and downs, a lot more little, basically useless candles, if you will, or useless information. If you want to get clarity, you want to zoom out on the chart. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here on this specific platform. Every platform is going to be a little bit different. You click on a W and make it a weekly chart. And all of a sudden, you start to see that it's cleaner. To kind of give you an idea of this, you'd see, for example, what we're looking at here is the XLF, or it's the financials sector ETF or group of stocks. So what you would have noticed, for example, is this week right here, which was the week of, let's see, this was the week, I think, following Thanksgiving of 2017. And you would have noticed that that week, that one bar represents 1 week, was a major breakout through a multi-week lens, right? So on that week, once that week closed on such a green basis, you can see what happened then for the following weeks. Same thing up here. Look what happened that week. That's the week where the cursor is right now. Let me zoom in a little bit more. That was the week right when stocks started to slide in late January, right? So what happened here is we had what's called an outside week. You notice how with the market on that week, or the XLF financials ETF in that case, tried to go higher initially, but then closed all the way down here. Okay, and of course the rest is history the following week. So if you would have respected this on the weekly chart, that would have given you a lot more calm and a lot more, let's say, perspective for everything. For everything. And again, this is just one ETF for one example, but the weekly charts are a huge part of my analysis. It's a huge part of what we do every single day with our Clubhouse members, with our coaching clients, stuff that we do and talk about and teach in great detail also in our workshops. So let me quickly turn the camera back around and just kind of say one more thing on this. So what's important here for me is to use weekly charts for confirmation and also through the lens of risk management. In other words, if you want to gain more perspective and give things more time. So a lot of people are very quick to jump into trades just based on daily charts. Or a stock makes a move one day up or down, and they're basing their decisions on that specific day. Whereas you should assign a lot more weight on the weekly charts. If you see breakouts that are more lasting, or they really should last and stick on a weekly basis before you jump in. Same thing on reversals and any type, and so on and so forth. So if this makes sense, folks, please give us a thumbs up or a comment down below. And again, please make sure to sign up for our Arizona workshop coming up March 16th to 18th. There'll be more information for that down below as well. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next YouTube Live.